Hello, family. Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy. I am Anders Kosia. Guys, I thank Mighty God for the blessed day, and I also thank you for the love and support, guys, for showing me love and also holding me in my hands. And guys, let Almighty God continue blessing you as time goes by, and let Almighty God multiply. Actually, your areas, guys. So this is your boy. I am Anders Kosia, and we are just coming live from our farm. It's almost midday, and I've not been like busy. Guys, I hope you can see even now the face it is. I've been just I had gone to cut some lumbers over here so that we can fix our second table, dining table, and then from there, guys, we gotta see the day. So today, I'm just going to show you the remaining parts of the last day's table. At the same time, we are just going to work out for the next table, guys. So my lovely people, keep tuned, keep locked as we are just going on. Remember, always love is for free, and I love you all as we are just coming live from this beautiful farm, this beautiful project, showing you how things are happening every single step, every single moment. It's also due to your love, due to your support, motivation, and encouragement. That's why everything is just like running actually smoothly and in a good way, no cornering, guys. So let Almighty God continue blessing you as, guys, we are going on with this typical village life, with this project, with everything, guys. So today I'm feeling like energetic. I'm feeling like good, awesome, a blessed day, a wonderful day, amazing day, guys. Let mighty God actually continue being blessed, guys. So yesterday, I think you can see this frame. It's really ready, strong. You can see, really strong, ready. Actually waiting for the top sandpaper, and then everything will be just really amazing, guys. So yesterday actually the rain used to, like, it was raining, it was just going to rain, but it didn't rain. So that's why, but we thank God it was also like too late for us to do it, but it's another day, a blessed old day also, that we are just going to work out for it and then make things possible, guys. Amazing, yeah. So my family, let's just proceed and show you how things are happening, and give you the updates of everything, and then wow, guys. Amazing. So let's go and see. Let me just have the top of this table, and then we are just going to proceed from there. So this is our top. Just trying to cut it to the other side, guys. So let me, guys, have a look at it. Just imagine, guys, that's how it's just going to look like. Let me just give you, like, for example, from this end, a view of it. Yeah, amazing. We're just going to fill the gaps, you know and then we just proceed, and then we are just going to smoothen it at this area so that it will be levelized, guys. Yeah, keep tuned as we're moving on, guys. So guys, actually I need to start maybe with the top, and then where it is just drying up, then I will proceed with just smoothening that, and then cutting it, so those edges, By the time it's just going, maybe I'll finish from there. I'll find the top, it's ready, and then fixing this, and then the legs. I will do the legs, other things, guys. So I have to try my best over here. This is the time. This is the time, guys, for serious business. No joking. For serious business, concentrating. You have the equipments. Not like cornering, like oh, I had no this. Yeah. Aje poa, ni kazi hapa. Poa. Have a look at those guys. They have been fighting. The black one and I think the other one have been chasing. It was being chased. Yeah. uh, have a look at how they are fighting there. This one's here. They are fighting. Those are Clinton's cheeks. Guys, finished actually the top. Now it's here. Just waiting for it to dry up, and then I'll just proceed with it. So for now, just going to deal with this one over here, and I'll finish it just to smoothen it, paint it, and then fix it at this frame. So that's how the day it's gonna be. That's how the day it's gonna be, my good people. And let me just proceed. I'm just going to update you every single step, every single moment. Just going to update you guys. Amazing. Yeah. insurance kwa gari inakava gari yako, inakukava wewe na gari yako, maybe any accident ikiokaa kama
sasa nyamaza lazima mziki na wewe
kama tusema any accident ikiokaa ndio inagharamia, na wewe lazima sasa, kwa mfano kama umepata accident ureport police within 24 hours. Hiyo insurance haikuangi eti ni kwa accident tu, inakava mpaka gari yako.
Sasa huyu jamaa anabisha kituelewi.
Gari inakuanga insured. Insurance inakugharamia sababu ni accident. Hata kuna insurance ya nyumba, hata ukipenda unakatia kuku zako insurance. Hata hiyo, hata ile nifi yenye saizi yenye wamebadilisha sasa, ile ni insurance tu. Unalipia kila mwezi. Gari ni kila mwezi. Kila mwezi unalipia.
Kila mwezi.
Guys, hey, this is how now this table looks like. Amazing. You can have a look at it. So we have remained with the part of just sandpapering it, and then we do the remaining parts painting it. Few minutes from now, I'm just going to show you after painting it, after sandpapering it, and maybe adding the glue to fill the gaps, those gaps over here. So we need to fill them. Also the edges, you can see how they are. Want to make it something red, you know. We are just going also to smoothen it to be in a good way. Wow. So that's how currently it looks like, guys. Keep tuned, keep locked as we are just going on with this process of the day. Love to you all. Guys, it has not been easy, but we thank God we have reached at this point. So currently, right now, as I'm speaking, guys, you can have a look at our table here, and really amazing, bro. What's up?
I'm good. Yeah, hello family, welcome back to It's_Hosea channel. Yeah, my name is Kiza KE and I'm here with Hosea. And right now we are just trying to apply some glue on the table parts so that it can get attached with the corners. But I can say so far the project is well ongoing. As you can see, this is a table and I can say it's ready. The only thing that has remained here is just to now come and scrub it to remove this roughness. You'd use what? Sandpaper?
Yeah.
Yeah. You scrub it by sandpaper, using sandpaper so that we can make it smooth. Then later the painting now will follow. Yeah, so family, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly consider by subscribing. Like this video, share this video, and also you can go and check me out at Kiza KE. Kiza, guys, is KIZAH_KE. I got some amazing content there. You can also go and view me out. Yeah, so thank you so much, Hosea, for welcoming me here. I feel so great and I really appreciate for that. Yeah, so family, let's continue with the work and keep watching this video till the end.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, this is how currently the table looks like. Amazing. So we have made actually with what we have had from our friend. Just we are going to give it some few minutes, the glue to dry a little bit, and then just to do the sandpaper, and then painting it. Get ready. Yeah, that's how things are, guys. Love you all. Guys. Have a look at how the cloud tells. Oh my God. So we want to paint our brushes on new one, mangan one. So I need to get the paint. Then we're gonna polish this, the varnish. Guys, I hope it's just going to be amazing. Let me go and have the varnish, and then I'll just be back and then we'll proceed with varnishing the table there. So kitunda. Wow. Yeah. Sema hi. Say hi.
Hello guys. You ambush me, bro. Hello guys. How are you, bro? First of all,
I'm good. And you?
You good?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good.
You're now healthy.
I'm
Already
now
it's
Yeah, you know, yesterday I go to hospital.
yeah.
I've injected me one of Sindan. Today I go and injected me.
Yeah.
And tomorrow I'm gonna go there. And I see my body gonna be good tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, and guys, good morning, good afternoon. Spending, where are you watching us from?
Pending.
No, bro. English is not vegetarian.
Yeah, we said that we should be like
teaching
you until you know.
Yeah.
Depending with time zone,
Mm.
depending where you are watching this from.
Oh, where are you watching this from?
Yeah.
What? Yes, that is good, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm so happy, bro, to watching with your YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm sorry in these days I didn't having showing me face in this channel. I was sick, so finally today I'm good. From today you're gonna see me anytime you want, guys. I'm back. Yeah, when I was doing some video here, I gonna upload.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great, bro.
Yes.
Oh, guys, now it's time. Oh God. It's time. Although actually the cloud tells that maybe some of the areas have received the rain, mostly the part of Tanzania. So this area, it's actually like Tanzania, those parts. But here, we expect it from this side. So if we're gonna see the clouds changing from this side, tells that we are just going to receive also the rains. But with it, we have our furnish here. Oh man, the Lighthawk. Actually, it's brand new. Only the how do you call it? How do you call it this? Only the container. All the
It got some damage on it.
yeah, it used to be where actually when I was carrying this on the motorbike, then we don't move that because the area here, that's where it used to yeah.
It has some leaking.
Yeah, it will leak. Kizungu hichi kweli ni kigumu. So I want to place this on this stand here. And then chips tayari. Chips ipo karibu. Poa sana. Kila kitu hata nyinyi karibuni. Yeah. Guys, it have started raining. Oh my God. Oya, kuna sehemu ya kujikinga huku. Huko ndani, karibu. Karibu. Sasa mjikinge mbele wapi? Tanyeshewa. hata salamu hata hatujasalimiana. Njoo mjikinga hata humo ndani. Ni kubwa. Ya? Karibu karibu. Chips ndio tulikuwa tunaandaa. Mvua imetu guys. It's raining. Twende tu na hiyo. But it's not that too much. Yeah? No, I think we have to place it in that shade. Let's carry it. Let me have this one first here. Okay, guys, the rain. Raining. We were not expecting it. But unfortunately, unexpected guest. Would it pass at this? Maybe just do this way. Yeah. Look at. Let's go. Let it go this way. Yeah. And then okay, this way. Yeah. Guys. Just drizzling. Kiza. How do you see the rain of nowadays? Since actually yesterday
This rain is, I can say, is somehow playing with us. Some pre-kitchen because
I done sick.
Us run away.
Yeah.
When we run away, it also run.
So it needs us to be rained on.
Yeah.
It was maybe
because,
too.
The rain thought that we fear it.
Mm.
But the rain also fears. So
But,
whenever we run into the house, it also
I think we have to read a message or to send a message to read that we don't scare it.
Yeah,
Let's do what it want to do. Right now. This is a message.
Ground.
Guys, this is a message to the rainy. We don't scare you, Mr. Rainy. If you want to rain. If you don't
That's
want,
right.
we don't care, but we need you.
In
another way. Guys, it actually started like, wow. And then right now, just drizzling here, no rain. Hey, imagine, guys. So I think we can proceed with what actually we had made with that. And today, the day it have ended even without maybe doing a lot of things today. But also, we thank God. I think this top it's already ready. Just smoothening it, and then maybe the legs, and then fix it. Yeah, guys, keep tuned, keep locked. Let me just go and check out this some of the things. I think I have to paint this so that maybe tomorrow I will just concentrate on the one that I'm just going to finish tomorrow. Yeah, that's when I can just like make things amazing, guys. Kiza here. It seems that the rain used to read my message, so it have started raining. As you can now see outside there, it's actually raining. That's why I'm just coming out from this shade. And at the same time, I don't want to be idle. I want to go on with the painting of this table. Meanwhile, maybe tomorrow then we will see what next, guys. So keep tuned, keep locked as we are still going on with this live and sharing ideas or skills. And love is always great, guys. Over the comment section, tell us what do you think about the video. And love is always free, guys. Support the channel. We need your watch hours. We need your love there. Like the video. Also, the way we move together as a family, So, love to you all who are watching this as we are going to paint the table. Guys, we are just going on painting it from this under the chicken coop or inside. You see, actually it's in the chicken coop, but not fully constructed. This one side, So we are going on with the paint of it, guys. We don't want to estate. We don't want to be like, oh, it's raining, to make it look amazing, as you can have a look at. Now it's just like begun to be, somebody might say, this is a table. Yeah, such kind of things also gives out a good, amazing, uh, amazing look. Can I have a look at now? Guys, I finished actually painting. Have a look at how it looks, how it shines from actually the chicken. Wow, amazing, guys. That's how it shines, shining. Wow. Really amazing, guys. So for today, I will just call it a day, and I do appreciate, guys. It have been raining, but not that too much. It used to rain with some respect. The rain sometimes can rain maybe with some of disrespect, but today it used to rain with respect, guys. We do appreciate, and hope even the plants here, even the tomatoes, they have started actually flowering. Even this, oh God, have a look at this one. It have already produced some. Oh my God! But they are just like a dormant, stunted growth. Yeah, because of the rains, and not like a big normal. Just they are just pure organic. Yeah, pure organic. So that's why maybe you can see the way they are. And then we do appreciate also Almighty God for it. So that's how things are here. Yeah. But I wish it could have had a little bit. Even the bananas can also just enjoy. You can have a look at how they are producing or germinating. Guys, yeah, you can have a look at. Wow, man. Our cactus fruits or dragon fruits also doing great, doing amazing from this farm. You know, that's greetings. Those are the blessings. We have the avocado parachichi. Yeah, avocado is parachichi in Swahili. vanilla. Yeah, we have those are the fruits I think we have here in the village in this farm. But I had the plan of just adding more and more because uh, the more you have a lot of fruits, it also like encourage maybe, yeah. And some of the plants maybe we can do maybe even some kitchen garden at this point. Maybe some of those bags of cement we can use even them, or we plant maybe kales in this gap so that we can just enjoy the also not like spending a lot on these maybe things like going to buy those kales, onions, other things. Yeah, we have to like spore a small piece of land or a small piece of land, but a lot of the activities taking place from this place. Yeah, those are plans. I think you can also suggest from there and tell what do you think about actually that idea that I'm thinking about. So that's how things are, and I do appreciate as we are also moving on, guys. So we have our table there, guys, and then maybe tomorrow we are just going to proceed with the remaining part of it. Actually, right now I'm not just going to, because it's also getting late. Maybe next time, which is actually tomorrow. So tomorrow it's another blessed day that we are just going also to work. I think at the same time we are just going to make another top and some legs, and then we can just proceed from there. We are just going to have that table maybe tomorrow the same time, so guys, that's how things are. Our kitchen here, our counter, really amazing. You can have a look at the table. I've not added glue. To these gaps because I'm still working on those other uh, tables. After finishing, then I'll be just free to work on this. Even maybe I'll leave it maybe during sometimes when you are just rolling your chapari here, the dove, but you can just fill the gaps. It's also good when you leave it in such a way. Or what do you think? But I know, guys, you can. I have to go. I know. Yeah, but it's good to share ideas. Sometimes, guys. Yeah, this is how beautiful this area looks like. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, guys. Actually, it's a friend. Only that Royal Kim is not around. I could have. I don't know if it was at his cabin. I could have actually gone there so that I had a plan and already I had. I had actually I had done some of the plowing or doing done something. At this point, I just like plant so that that we can plant some flowers over here. Meantime, as we are still going on working from the other side, we should have the flowers from this point. Actually, it was dug recently. I used to ask somebody there to dig this area so that we can prepare this place so that we can just plant those flowers. I think right now, as it have been just drizzling, it was we had an opportunity to bring those flowers and then plant them over here. I think maybe I'm just going to contact him or I go there, but I have to inform him so that he can just be aware, maybe to go there and have those flowers from Kim's home there, guys. So that's the day of today, and maybe if I'm just going to plant these flowers, I'm also going to inform you guys, my guys. Keep tuned, keep locked, and also remember to give the video like, subscribe to the channel, also share the link. So we are just going to end our video from this point, and I could like to end it by also like appreciating your love and support, also just being royal and supportful to the project and to this actually family here, the likes of Clinton, I, Royal Kim, and maybe many other guys here in the village, guys. So we love you, we love you, we love you all, guys. Keep tuned, keep logged. Remember to tell a friend also to support the channel as we are just waiting for our monetization, as we are also pushing for some of the watch hours so that we can actually manage to get monetized, guys. This is your boy, I am underscore Sia. If the first time you come across to the channel, we do appreciate, and you are also welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. May the living God bless you all. Wow, guys, I decided that I should go. I must, not like to wait. No time. Maybe if it's just going to rain next time, it should find the plants or the flowers at the ground. So I went to Royal Kim's farm, and I used to get those actually snake plant, so that we can plant them for the first time over here, and then we are just going to get some other flowers. Maybe we can do some flowering those actually along the fence, the all of this farm maybe, and some of the parts here maybe, as we have been just after constructing the wall over there, then now we can do maybe planting or plantation of those flowers. So for now, I'm just going to plant the snake plant over here, and then maybe next we gotta see what we're gonna do, guys. Keep tuned, keep locked, as we are just going on. Love to you. We have already dug the holes. I'm adding the water. Oh my god. Guys, always when I do video, I sometimes receive calls. Maybe if it's not an flight mode. But anyways, we are done. Now I've just added some water to those holes. Now it's time to plant. It's time to plant, guys. I think I have to divide this one into. I have to divide it. Also this one. Yeah. Also this one. But these ones, I've never actually, because something went wrong. I don't know if they will, but I'm just going to plant at the same time, even those ones. So let me divide these ones, then I'm just going to update you. Guys, finally, we have the snake plants. Have a look at, wow, amazing, guys. Our snake plant over here, snake plant flower. I don't know if that's the correct name, but over the comment section you can also tell if that's the right or correct name of this plant or flower, guys, as you can have a look at. Wow, amazing. We have them, lots of them over here. So that's how things are, guys. Super amazing, guys. I think now we are just going to look maybe for another different kind of flowers, and then also we can have different kind of flowers from this beautiful sunset actually area. So right now for today, we have them over here in a line, although it's not a straight line, sometimes bends, but we have them here, guys. Keep tuned, keep logged. Remember to give the video a like, and also subscribe to the channel. This is your boy, I am underscore Sia. And before I end, I think I should just get the manure I had on top of it, because we have lots of it. Without stating, we should have the manure we had to the snake plant, guys. So this is the advantage of having even manure in the building, in the area, in the house. No cornering. Yeah, guys, amazing. Wow, I think this one is enough for the whole of it. Yeah, let me just go and plant this, add this to the flowers. Oh god, guys, things are really amazing and super amazing, super lovely, super great. Nitaona huko juu, nakuja yeah? Si nitakuja mnipe chenchi sasa. Hey, hakuna yeah? Sawa. So we have it actually. We have the manure over here. So that's how it is. That's how it is, guys. That's how it is. Yeah. I think if tomorrow or maybe even today night, if it's gonna rain, the plants will also enjoy. Yeah, they will also enjoy. That's the end of it, guys. Yeah, I think really super amazing now. Yeah, it's now really amazing. Woo. Yeah, man. So that's how it is, guys. It is what is it. It is what is it. Yeah, we have them. We have lots of them over here. Now I think that even now we have this another step that we have made in this area. A big step, you know. This another big step, you know, that we have made from this actually plantation of those flowers, snake plant flowers, which are just like amazing, guys, to this area. Just going to shine, I believe that. It's just going to shine and shine, guys, you know, really shine. Keep tuned, keep locked. Just going to end this from this point by just saying love you all, and love is always free. Let's just continue supporting each other. Bye.